This is Larry with Raceday, and I'm going to show you a quick demo on how to use the new WordPress plugin for schedules for Raceday. This will automate your schedules on your website, so after this is set up, you no longer have to worry about putting schedules on your website. You'll just log into Raceday, make your schedule changes, or change the status of your scheduled event, and it will automatically update on your website. So this demo assumes that you already have the plugin installed. If you do not, give us a call. We can walk you through it, or we'll be happy to just plug it in for you and get her working. So once you have the plugin installed, you're going to log into your Raceday account, and the first thing you're going to do is set up seasons. So that's this new tab up here, and most people will only be doing one season, but for the purposes of showing you what this can do, we set up a fictitious track here that has two seasons: snowmobiles in the winter, and then they do grass drags in the summer. So I've already created those two event seasons. All you have to do is click on this new season and just give your season a name. So like I said, most of you will just do 2017 race season. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and set up your events for the season. And in this case, I've set up six, three for each. And as soon as you set up your event, you're going to have a new tab down here called Seasons and Schedules. So all you need to do is select the season that particular event attaches to. So in this case, this is a December Snow Pro race, so it's going to attach to the Snow Pro season. You're going to assign it, and then you're going to go ahead and set your status. In this case, I'm going to say that this race is confirmed, which means it's ready to go, and registration will open as soon as we want it to. If I go down to my January race, and again, I'm going to look at seasons and schedules. This one is tentative. Now that's just a nice way of saying, hey, we've got the race, but we don't have the contract, so we believe we're going to do it. We're not sure yet. So, and if that becomes confirmed, you just, of course, switch the status. All right, so now assume I've gone through each of my events and I've assigned them all to a season and given them a status. Now, I'm going to hop over to my WordPress website, and I'm going to go into this race day schedule. Right here, it's gonna when the plugin's installed, you'll see the new race day item here. Go into event schedules, and you'll see those two seasons that we created are now showing up in your WordPress site. So what I'm going to do is copy the shortcode. If you're not familiar with shortcodes for WordPress, it's just a very simple way to make stuff show up on pages without having to do anything other than just click that. And now I've copied it. I'm going to go into the actual page that I've created for the 2017 winter schedule. And one of the things you want to do, and it's going to vary depending upon which WordPress theme you have, but you want to make sure you're on this text tab over here and not the visual tab. So then wherever you want that schedule to show up on the page, you just paste it, and that's the shortcode we copied earlier, and then update. So then I'm going to go back to the schedules, and I'm going to grab the grass drag shortcode, and this is my grass drag schedule page. And I'm going to paste that one and update it. And now if I preview that page, you'll see I have my grass drags automatically listed. So I got my opener. This one I set to a status of canceled and postponed, just so you can see what that looks like. And if I go to the Snow Pro schedule, you'll see that this one has registration open right now, so I can click that and just go register for this event. Right into Raceday. Have to log in, of course. And you'll also note that if you change the status of these races, go to the December Snow Pro race here, and go down to my seasons and schedules. I'm going to change that to canceled. Now in my Snow Pro schedule, this one was open. Now it's canceled and registration is closed. So again, you just have to update stuff in the back of Raceday here. You don't have to mess with your WordPress site anymore. So there's the schedules. If you have any questions, of course, you can always call us.